Hello guys, my name is Usama, and today I will be teaching you how you can install datalife CMS on a cpanel. Okay, as you can see, I have the datalife engine website open. Very first thing we need is to download the CMS files. Okay, we can download the free version, which is the trial version, from here. I will I will put the links in the description. Okay, so we after we click download and download datalife engine, I already have downloaded it. Okay, and over here I have the DLE English underscore trial. In this we have upload file and all the file in it. Okay, so what we need is to upload all these files into our domain root directory. So like I have this site gamingzaps.com which is completely zero. Okay, here we are going to install our datalife engine framework. Okay, so let's go to our cpanel and go to the file manager. Okay, in this, after you go to the file manager, select the root directory of the domain in which you want to install. In my case, I have this gamingzaps.com. If you have single or main domain, you might have to install or upload your files in public HTML, public underscore HTML. In my case, I want to install it on my this site gamingzaps.com. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. As you can see, the directory is empty. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I will create a zip file of this file. I already zipped it, so let's go ahead and upload our file. Let's drag and drop it here and wait for. Okay, so our upload is 100% complete, and let's go ahead and go back to. Okay, so here is the file. I'm going to right click on the file and click extract. So yes, we need to extract it to our root directory. Extract here, and extraction is completed. Go ahead and delete the zip file, it's useless. Now open the upload folder and select all of the files and click move, and move it to the root directory. As this is our root directory, remove we okay, here is all our files. Now go ahead with your domain, and now we click refresh, and here we have the installation wizard of datalife engine. Okay, now click next and read all the description. Click accept this agreement. Yes, next, and okay. So here comes the tricky part. Here we have the here we need to add the database that you link to the website. So if you have already created a database, you can link it, or you can simply create a new in your cpanel. From your cpanel, in your cpanel, go to MySQL, search for MySQL databases. Now click on it, and our database are here. Okay, now create a new in this you will find create a new database. In here we are going to write gaming apps. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, I am going to name it gaming app. So create a database, click go back, and as you can see our database is successfully created. Now we need to assign a user. Now we need to assign a user to this database. Now look, let's go to our here, and you can name it whatever you want. I am going to name it as same as it is. Okay, now give the password. Okay, so after we after you create a user, as you can see we have successfully created the user, but the user is not linked to our database. So go ahead and click add user to the database. So this is our user and this is the database that we are going to add our user in. So after we click add and give all the privileges to our user and go back and click database name. Our database name is gaming apps, and our database password, and over here this is the data access to control panel. This is basically the site login that you will need in future to access your site. Okay, so create a login for your, I'm basically going to put admin and create a password, and add any email you have. Okay, so voila, you have all your installation complete. Click next, and here you have your website ready. So this is how you install a datalife engine on your website through a cpanel.